What happened to Trumpet Gains? Some of you have been asking that question, and I'll attempt to explain that in this video. So about 4 years ago, I think, I deleted Trumpet Gains fully along with all of my other social media accounts. I think I started Trumpet Gains when I was a sophomore or junior in high school. It was a long time ago. I think one of my friends recorded me playing a double C and posted it to YouTube, and the video did really well. And I was like, this is cool. So I started posting videos. I posted, I think, mostly covers, and I posted some educational videos around high notes, and a lot of like creative, just random videos of like hangouts that I did in like parking garages and on rooftops in downtown, and when I had a lot of time and no family and no bills to pay, really just a lot of time to have fun and be creative. I also did like workouts, hence the Trumpet Gains. I worked out a lot and played trumpet a lot, so those two things it made sense. And I was also teaching a couple high schools, like helping teach high schools. But anyway, so I had that channel for a while, up until about 4 years ago. It grew to, I think, maybe 47,000 or so subscribers. That's the number I have in my brain. Maybe it was a little bit less, maybe a little bit more. My 1-year-old wants something. I'll be right back. Why did I get rid of Trumpet Gains? On my Trumpet Gains channel, I always wanted it to be me playing for God's glory. And I think I've mentioned that in a few videos on the Trumpet Gains channel, but in my brain, that's what I was doing this channel for. I was playing for God's glory. And I truly think that God gave me this talent and the ability to play the trumpet and to teach. So I want to do it for Him. But I had conflicting videos, and I had a very conflicting approach to everything in life. I was pretty successful in the social medias that I had, not overly successful. I wasn't famous or popular by any means, but I had an Instagram that did well. I had a TikTok. Those videos did pretty well when I posted trumpet stuff on there. But pretty much I needed and I used all those comments and likes and views. I felt really good about myself, and I felt very validated for everything I was doing. And so that was my motivation in life, was just feed me the compliments. And I realized that when I got rid of social media, I realized that that's literally what I was living on. That was the driving factor, was social media, comments, likes, and how popular I could be. And so if I want to play trumpet for God's glory, but I'm recording music that goes completely against what the Bible teaches and what God wants, that doesn't make any sense. And that's dangerous. If you're neither here nor there, that's really bad. So that was not good. And a lot of that, not only was the content like that, but also what made it so much worse was me and who I was when I was posting that content. I changed so much in these past 4 years when I got married, and we had 2 kids, and I'm in full-time work. I'm a middle school band director, full-time family, full-time. I do ministry at my church. I lead an orchestra there and a few other things that I do there. But so I'm like fully into like this, into family, into building things up here, into the stability. And so when I got married exactly 5 years ago, as of this month, after we got married, I had to really rethink my life and my values and the direction I wanted my life to go. So my wife and I decided that we would get rid of all social media. And that was one of the best things I've ever done. I think it was so refreshing. And honestly, I think that allowed God to really change me, because I was going downhill fast with all the stuff that I was thinking and doing, and with social media and like the chase for fame, chase for popularity. 1 second, she's asking for something again. So around the time when I was, thinking to possibly get married, I also had opportunities. I was doing a lot of trumpet playing. I was pretty good. So I was thinking whether to go on cruise ships and gig on cruise ships, or to go play for the Marines. I was considering a few options with where to take my career path with trumpet, but then I ultimately had to decide between family or trumpet-centered career, right? And I chose family. And the 4 or 5 years now of getting married and having, you know, our 2 kids, getting this house, being more committed to ministry at church, and being a good husband, a good dad for my kids, and being at church, serving God, and actually using my skills, my talent, my ability, my time for God's glory. So that's my goal here on this channel. I feel bad because there are occasionally opportunities come up, and I do turn down quite a few opportunities for trumpet playing because I am pretty committed to focusing on family first, and YouTube takes up a lot of time. But also when it comes to playing trumpet, pretty much all of my playing that I do now is only at church. I play at my church, I lead an orchestra at my church, and there are a few church orchestras around our area that put on big concerts every year, twice a year or so, and I play for those also. But I don't do pretty much any other gigs. Number one, I don't have time, and number two, if it's not going to be for God's glory, that's not where my goals are. So, and I'm not going to chase popularity on this channel. I'm not chasing popular and trendy topics. I might, you know, if there's a popular if Lewis Dowswell posts a video, and I've done this before, and it's about high notes, or if it's about trumpet, or about music, or about something that actually is going on in the world that relates to me, that relates to this channel, I'll post about it. But I'm not chasing fame or popularity with this channel. And that is one of the main things that I was thankful that I was able to stop Trumpet Gains and all my social media accounts and just get a reset and a refresh for my life so I can focus on the things that matter. And this is busy. I'm busy right now with everything that I'm doing, but I do really enjoy being able to teach trumpet, and specifically high notes. So before I start to ramble on anymore, that is why there's no more Trumpet Gains, but there is Fedorov trumpet, and it's going to be more official, more serious. I'm going to have some creative videos also on this channel, or maybe on a separate one that I'll post those. But yeah, I'm here to teach and inspire and motivate, and also share my faith with some of the covers that I do. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you all.